In today's video, you are going to learn a number of burpee progressions to get you to the full burpee.
What's going on, everyone? Coaches Michael and Lee here from Forever Aesthetic. Let's get to this burpee fun.
Burpees are a great form of exercise. Number one, they're body weight. Two, they speed up your metabolism. And three, they work majority of your muscles. That is the reason why we're going to learn how to do full burpees today. Progression number one is walking burpees with no jump. Thank you, Michael. That's number one. Progression number two is we're going to do a jump only at the top, a vertical jump, and walk the rest of the burpee. Thank you again, Michael. Progression number three.
Not a problem.
We're gonna do a vertical jump with our burpee. We're gonna step down, as that's one of the hardest parts of the burpee. Then we're gonna jump our feet back into the top and jump up again. Let's give it a go, Michael. Awesome, very good work. Progression number four now is a vertical jump at the top. We're gonna jump, kick our legs back out, then jump back in and jump up. Remember, this is one of the most difficult part of the burpees. So if you have to do it a few times to get it right, that's okay. Let's give it a try, Michael. Awesome work. Now, progression number five. Here we are, the full burpee. Full burpee now, we're gonna jump vertically at the top, come down to the floor, let yourself down slowly and controlly, push yourself back up and jump up. So we're not going for a full push up, but we want nice and control. So let your belly touch the ground and come back up to the top. All right, Michael, let's go for the most advanced version here. Awesome work.
Thank you very much.
Remember, when you're working on your burpees, practice makes perfect. I used to hate burpees just because the way I felt doing them, but the more you practice them, the better you'll feel doing them, and you will eventually, one day, like burpees.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.